Oh, shit. I know. Well, we'll get you next time anyways.
Look at that.
Holy shit, I have never seen that in my life.
Me neither.
You haven't?
No.
Oh, I thought living here you probably would have. I figured I was just
Let's get a little bit wider.
Yeah. Picking up speed.
Mum's just shitting herself, living in old. She's like, you guys are right in the middle of that. I'm like, whoa.
That's pretty
And
wild.
it's getting bigger and it's moving faster now.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, let's go. It's getting bigger. My dog.
That's that cloud seeding plane.
Yeah, I saw them take off at work. It's what's gonna suck is if it starts incorporating all of this around it, right? See that? See this sinking? Look at it sinking.